Hey guys, all the parts for the heater core arrived, so I'm grabbing all the existing components and I'm going to bring them over to our workbench so we can put it all together, hopefully. And gotta go grab the heater core, obviously. There's the heater core. Doesn't leak. And there's the original cover. Gotta put it all together. I'll be back in a little bit. See ya. Here's this all put together. How's that look? Looks pretty nice. We got all that hose to go to the defrosters for the windshield. And here's the grate go to the floor. The original grommet isn't doing so well, so I used our good friend electrical tape. And I don't know if you can see in there, but I mean, it's working for the most part. Still got caught. It's caught on the side a couple of times, but I mean that's just because I don't have a grommet keeping it center, so everything's just riding and shifting like that. But it's coming along. There's the original box cover. I have the original fan too, but I mean this is going to be much more efficient. I'm going to get much more air blowing out of that than using where is it? Let me find it. I'm using the fan, which is not there. Okay. Alright, well, that must be next door. Alright, well, this is everything. Cover. This is all put together. New sheet metal screws. This is actually all bent out of wax, so I spent maybe half an hour trying to just square it out so I could put it on there. It's a non-leaking heater core. Turns out that it was leaking. So we spent a lot of the day fixing it. There's the setup right there. I don't know if you can see that, but top hose goes to the bottom by the water pump, and bottom hose goes to the return, or I guess you could say the top for the ring. But yeah, I installed a overflow tube. It didn't have an overflow tube before. As you can see, it's working pretty well. I would have lost all that coolant if I stuck with the open system that it originally had. And let's look at the inside, shall we? Alright. Yep. There's still a little bit more. I think that's just from residual stuff just sitting. But we had the thing running for maybe an hour, and it didn't overheat, which is great. And we put some special chemical in the radiator. I forget what it is, but it's like Bar Leaks or something like that, the name of the company. But it's just this rubbery stuff compound that heats up in the coolant, and it finds leaks and fills them. So heater core, as of right now, it's not leaking, but there's still steam coming out, and as you can see, it's a little reflective and shiny, which is coolant. So I think we might have to do another dose of the bar leak. And excuse me. I mean, it's coming along. We have everything installed. The fan is on the workbench. The motor's in. Motor works. That's all nice and good. We still got to hook up the electrical. And let's see what else. As of right now, regardless of whether I want it on or off, we didn't put the valve in either of the hoses, so I just get constant pressure right now. They're still warm from when I had it running maybe an hour ago now, but I mean, it ran great. In the past, I would run it and it'd be hot in maybe 15 minutes. It'd be overheating, and we ran it for an hour, and it stayed at a cool 180 or maybe 190. So doing its job. It's helping cool things, obviously. But yes, put in this overflow tube and reservoir, which is very helpful. I mean, she's coming along slowly but surely. All right. That wasn't me. That was a fender. Can't really think of anything else I did. Spent most of the day working on this, getting this set up. Of course, I ordered one 5/8 hose and one 3/4 when I needed both 5/8. So we tried using the 3/4 and it was too much. I couldn't clamp it down tight enough to hold. So we got more 5/8 from the I think it was Advanced Auto Parts or AutoZone, one of those two. But yeah, we hooked that all up. It's in the original holder for it. And ran the tubing, clamped it on. Alright, well, that's everything. Let's see, let's do an overview. Overflow reservoir and heater core hoses, along with heater core installed. Alrighty, I'll see you guys later. Bye.